Assessing tibial internal rotation is a bit tricky for some, and it's also a really common one that I see lacking in so many people. It's really important to have this when you squat, when you walk and run, when you do rotation sports or exercises, swinging a baseball bat, swinging a golf club come to mind. It's really this subtle movement that no one really expects at the knee. Again, most people think that the knee bends and straightens and that's it, but it actually rotates both internally and externally as well. And it's really important that you have enough tibial internal rotation to do these normal functional daily activities and exercise, of course. So the setup is very simple. You need a bench that you can sit on or something that you can sit on where your knee is bent to about 90 degrees and your ankle your foot is flat with your ankle bent to about 90 degrees. You also need a tripod or the ability to have your phone or your camera up at an angle in front of you. It shouldn't be directly above your knee, but rather just a few feet in the opposite direction, kind of looking down at this angle. If you don't have a tripod, maybe just get a friend to video this or figure it out. I'm sure you can get creative. So once you're in the good setup position, you're going to sit tall, and then all we're going to do is keeping your foot flat. I want you to rotate your toes in. Notice that my foot is rotating, and my foot lifted up a little bit there. I cheated just a little bit, but my knee stayed pretty still. So once again, slide it inward like so. And we're looking for about 20 degrees. That might be passing on me. I think it's a little short. And then the other fault that we see the most happen is this edge of the foot, your big toe, lifts up. So we kind of invert that ankle, and that looks kind of like this. So people can kind of squeak out a few extra degrees by inverting, but really we want to keep your foot flat and then just slide it along the floor. Now, this can also be a little bit tricky on a tacky rubber floor like this, but if you have a tile floor, it might make it easier, or like a linoleum floor, hardwood floor might make it easier. If you're unsure if you pass this test, mark unsure on your score sheet. And of course, feel free to reach out with us with a copy of the video and we will help you sort it out.